Hello everyone, this is Sam from DATEC Studios. In this short video, I want to show you how you could set number of undos or redos in 3D Studio Max. To do that, simply go to Customize menu, Preferences, and in the first tab, General, we have seen undo levels. I usually add something between 150 and 200, but it does take a lot of RAM memory. So if your RAM memory is not too high, I recommend you to set something between 40 to 80. By default it is 20, which it is very low values. Especially note that even selecting and deselecting in 3ds Max include the undo, Ctrl Z, you see. So 20 undos is too low values. Also, one quick tip here. If in the toolbar you right click on the undo or redo commands, you could see all the levels, something like history in Photoshop. For example, I create another box, rotate it, move it, and simply right click on the undo. And you see, we have multiple undo. For example, until here and undo. Thanks for watching. See you next video.